Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Advanced Addition and Subtraction with Integers Worksheets. So this video presents a couple of worksheets to give us some practice to do with addition and subtraction with integers. So here on the first slide we have 12 examples. Now if you remember from the lesson, remember we said when we have two like signs, that can be replaced by a plus sign. The same here. Two like signs can be replaced by plus. Two unlike signs can be replaced by minus. And two unlike signs can be replaced by minus. Now if you remember those simple guidelines, these are all very, very straightforward. So you look at each particular case there and you replace it with a single sign, and then you go through and you do the simplification. But it's very, very important to remember those rules that were outlined in the lesson. Now if you can't remember those rules, or you'd like to have a little refresher, at the end of this video you can click on the link. I have provided a link for you, and that'll take you back to the lesson on this worksheet. Let's have a look at the next slide. So this slide again continues and provides just a few more examples. Some of them are a little bit more involved. They look a little bit tricky, but don't be fooled. Just follow the guidelines. You will see two signs each time, like that. Just replace those with a single sign. That's all you have to do. And then you write the answers. And when you do that, you have to work from left to right. After you have single signs next to all the digits or the integers, remember when you finish up with addition and subtraction, you work from left to right across here. This one looks a little bit intimidating, doesn't it? But you know what to do in each of those cases. Of course, the rule is very straightforward. The same here. Exactly the same here. So in all the cases, you just follow the guideline. Now these last two are very interesting. I mean, you don't see something like that very often. So I wonder if you can give the answers straight away without any working out at all, or if you prefer, you can just go through and change those signs there to a single sign and then provide the answer. So this video has provided just a few worksheets, so a couple of slides, to give you some practice when it comes to the addition and subtraction with integers when the signs are next to each other. Now it can be very, very confusing when you see something like this, but please remember the rule. When the signs are the same, replace it with a plus. When the signs are different, replace it with a minus. If you do that, you can't go wrong.